I'm going to give people a few minutes, okay? Here we are. This is P3, P3, and you can see the number.
We're on P2, right?
Sorry. Yeah, you're right. We are working on P2. You're right. All right. So remember, when you have the same base and one is below the other, you can subtract. So I'm going to write it like this. 8 minus 4 is 4. That's your answer. Done.
All right.
What else?
Let's see.
Anything from here?
You want to do, let's see, we could do 39.
Okay. $39 is,
That's the 8.
sorry?
That's the 8x.
Correct, correct.
You,
Absolutely, thank you. Okay, I'm going to move on. Discard this. All right, this is P2 number 39. Remember, guys, and we have kind of used that concept today as well. This 2 belongs to 8, and this 2 belongs to this x cubed. Now, when you have 2 powers to the same variable, you multiply the powers. So 8 belonging to 2 allows me to write this. And x cubed squared. All right, 8 squared is 64. X cubed squared, you multiply the powers. You multiply the powers underlined by the green line, and you're going to get x to the power 6. Don't add it. 6. And that's your answer.
so when you're distributing fraction and exponents in, you multiply, but when you're multiplying two like base numbers, like let's say you did x cubed times x squared, you would add, right?
Correct, correct. And look, if you forget, you're going to ask yourself, well, what does that mean? Well, it simply means x written 3 times multiplied. And this simply means x written 4 times and multiplied. And if you write it out, it'll be x written 3 times. So let's do it like here. It'll be x times x times x. And that there is a I don't want to write multiplication sign because it looks, of course, it resembles x. And that's a little too small. I'm going to make it bigger. So I try to keep it straight like this. Okay, so this guy is this guy. This guy is this guy. Now we have 4 x's, 3 x's. That's really like having 7 x's. So it better be x to the power 7. What you told me is correct, but it's not that mysterious. You can kind of write down and say, oh yeah, that's what it is. Same kind of an argument. X cubed squared means what? Write it out. X cubed times x cubed. Okay. And this is a multiplication sign. Well, x cubed is what? X. And x cubed is what? X. I'm not writing the multiple. So you really have 6 of them, which is same as 3 times 2. More information than you need, but it's nice to know why they work the way they do. And there is a method to the madness. We're not making it up. It really works that way. And of course, it's not madness. I was being sarcastic. There's a problem with recording everything. What else, guys? Oh, let me see if I'm recording. I think we are. We still have a couple of people. You can ask any kind of questions, ask me to do something. I'll take it all. Does that answer your question?
Yeah, I think I'm all good on like question.
Awesome.
There's for all the sections.
Yeah, practice, write some formula down. It's an open book exam. So, and
I mean, I've been doing that this whole time. Every time we do a question, I label with the section that's a part of and the number of the question.
That's good. That's very good. Thank you for participating, everyone. But I'm not going. I'm here. I'm going to be here. If anybody wants to ask a question,
Are we okay to leave?
you
Like, if
feel
we
free to
don't-
leave. Yes, feel free to leave. I will leave when everybody is gone, but you can leave. Yes.
All right. Well, you have a good day, Professor.
You
Thank you
too,
very
Jack. You too, Jack.